Welcome to week number 1 of our intermediate nightclub two-step, and we did a really fun variation with a hidden hand change. But before we did that, we warmed up with a couple nice variations of tuck and turns. So if I'm going 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, shoulder catch, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, line drive, one hand here, 7 and 8. Or I can do the variation where I sidle up next to my partner with a 5 and 6, 7 and 8, shoulder catch. I'll sidle up over here on the side, line drive with the double. Nice, excellent. So nice little warm up there, and then we harnessed the idea of the tuck and turn, and we used it to separate our partners, going 5 and 6, 7, slide away, tuck and turn, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and I'm on the back side here. So the main thing about that is followers are doing the shinade turns going down the line, never stopping, continuing to rotate, get into the stretch. Leads, you are starting out of the way at my two-hand hold position, doing a tuck and turn with 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Everyone's going forward. I drop the left hand. As I rotate my partner, I have the option to pick up my partner's left hand from when I let go with my right. So I can do this, boom, catch the hand there as I catch the shoulder here. Now I'm going to be behind my partner. I'm going to be sidling around to the other rail as I send my partner to turn. Left hand comes up, double spin, head loop, and I'm back into my basic. So putting that together non-stop would be 5 and 6, 7, release 8, with a tuck and turn, and 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And then we played with the idea of starting with a tuck and turn and then getting into this. And the main thing for leads was you have to change rails. So I'm starting on the near rail, I'll end up on the far rail. So going 5 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, spin, spin, spin. I'm on the far rail here. I'm gonna let my partner rock as I glide her hand into the tuck and turn. Tuck and turn, I'm staying ahead of her, boom, boom, boom. Dun, 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 and dun, dun. So just doing that non-stop, it'll flow going. And we're going, go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, turn, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7. We'll do a left turn just to have fun here. More rotating my partner. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Excellent. Thank you, Harriet. Thank you, guys. We'll see you here next week.